Are you tired of digging through Salesforce menus just to customize your homepage? Learn how to create one in under 3 minutes. We'll walk through the exact clicks, from quick settings to activation. Follow these 14 steps to get your custom homepage live. Start by clicking the Quick Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Then, from the drop-down, select Open Advanced Setup to access deeper configuration options. In the Quick Find box, type Lightning App Builder to filter the setup menu. Now click on Lightning App Builder from the search results to open the builder. Click the New button to start creating a new page. Select Homepage as the page type from the available options. Then click Next to proceed to the next step. Enter a label for your homepage in the provided field. Click Next again to move on to template selection. Choose a page template from the gallery that best fits your layout needs. Once selected, click Done to confirm your choice. Now drag and drop components from the palette onto the page canvas to build your layout. When you're happy with the design, click Save to store your work. Finally, click Activate to make the homepage live for users. And that's it. You've created a custom homepage in Salesforce. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.